Today I'm sharing 4 things my Asian family did growing up that can be considered intentional living today. 1. Wearing slippers in the house. For anyone that's not Asian, you've probably had an Asian friend or have seen Asians on TV wearing slippers in the house and leaving their dirty shoes at the door. It's because the floor collects dust, among other things, so easily that we don't want it to get all stuck in our feet and then drag those things into our beds. And obviously, leaving shoes at the door helps to prevent nasty things from outside spreading all over the floors that we walk on. If you live in New York or any major city, imagine tracking all of that shit all over your home and then walking in it barefoot. No thanks. This practice not only keeps your floors cleaner, it saves you time from having to heavy duty clean your floors all the time. Number 2, recycling plastic bags and containers. Before people knew how bad plastic containers were for their health, my family used to save plastic containers and shopping bags from grocery stores or carry out, and this saved us money from having to buy containers and bags to pack food and lunch. And in the grand scheme of things, was a useful way to recycle what we already had rather than tossing them every time. In fact, I still save plastic bags when I come across them for the occasional emergency. Number 3, intentionality around food. This is a big one in Vietnamese culture and probably a lot of Asian cultures that I look back on and appreciate more as I get older. Food is a way we communicate in Asian culture. In fact, it's no coincidence that when someone apologizes, they say, "Are you hungry?" rather than "I'm sorry." Growing up, my extended family often cooked meals together, sitting on the floor, laughing as we stuffed egg rolls, plucked fresh herbs, and minced spices. Vietnamese cuisine always incorporates fresh herbs in every dish, and it wasn't until I got older that I realized all of those herbs I was eating had medicinal benefits. Not only that, we would all eat together without the TV and eating slow to enjoy the food and company for as long as it took. 4. Camaraderie. One of my favorite things growing up with a Vietnamese background is how close-knit people are with each other. It doesn't matter whether you're related or not. Once you meet a Vietnamese person, you become family. In fact, in the Vietnamese language, we address everyone, even strangers, by familial titles such as aunt, uncle, sister, brother, etc. I've met random Vietnamese people on walks that send me home with fruit or have given me discounts at stores. When guests come over, it's traditional to offer every piece of food you have to them. See what I mean about food? And you can expect them to force you to eat it too. And those are 4 ways my Asian family has taught me about intentional living. Comment down below what traditions you grew up with that has helped your intentional living journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. See you guys later.